garden community by sharing my knowledge on garden planning, preserving methods, recipes, in order to eliminate the overwhelm of it all. And today's episode is going to be one of those preserves, and I am making smoked paprika.
It is important to wash your vegetables with a fruit and produce wash because it's going to remove all off flavors. Paprika can be any pepper that you want as long as it's ripe. That's why you have mild paprika and hot.
When you smoke peppers, you want to do it 3 to 4 hours, depending on what type of wood pellets you're using or wood in particular. Hickory has a heavy smoke, so you can probably get away with just 3 hours. When you have a lighter smoke, like an apple wood or what you have on hand, go 4 to 5. It'll be a little bit longer to get into there as a flavor component. I have hickory in there, so I'm going to go 3 hours. It is important to rotate because the hot sources on the bottom, they're going to cook and roast and it's going to get in there. Rotating them will make sure they're all evenly smoked.
Place the peppers, cut elongated in half, facing the inside up, with the seeds removed. Then what you're going to do is cook them / smoke them for 3 to 4 hours. Then place on a dehydrator racks and go at 125 degrees between 24 to 36 hours. The ideal texture that you want to get is where it's breaking. It's like paper, very hard. That is going to give you the best texture for when it becomes a spice. See how it's cracking right there? That's what you want. That's ideal texture. Place the whole peppers into a non-BPA bag with a food grade desiccant. It is best to leave your peppers in whole form and only grinding when you are ready to use them because the flavor potential is going to be much higher compared to leaving it in powder form. Being there is no gluten or anti-caking, it will be more solid because it's in its natural form. There's a little bit of oil left in there. When you're doing spice combinations, it will break up a lot easier. Just use a nice spatula, move it in, and spread it out evenly and mix. You can also place back into the grinder for a consistent mix.
If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Thanks for viewing.